In this video, I'll show you how to make logo in Canva. It's going to be a straightforward video. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch everything step by step. So I'm going to open up my ChatGPT now. So what you need to come in and type in, I want to design the best logo for my product. Give me the best prompt for it. So you need to enter the name of your product. You need to enter the about. So mine is Bible, helps Christians read the Bible in 365 days. So once I've highlighted it, I'm going to just copy it. So I'm going to go to my Canva. So I have my Canva here. So this is our Canva. So make sure I've created an account for yourself. So I'm using my mobile for this. So I'm going to tap on the more. I'm going to see this Canva AI. I'm going to tap on it. You're going to just come here and paste this. I'm going to send. I'll wait for it to load up. So right now, I've pasted this and you can be able to see everything is currently here fully. So I'm going to just wait for it to give me the very best. So right now, if you look here, everything I said has just been put to place. So I've been able to generate my own logo. This is Bible. So this is how you can be able to make a logo for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the very next video.